Hello and welcome to another POSCatch.com product presentation, and today we are going to present to you the brand new Star Micronics MC-Print3 Cube Thermal Receipt Printer. We're very excited to offer this new receipt printer from Star to you today. At first, what we're going to do is we're going to do an unboxing so you can see everything that comes in the box with this great printer. And then the second part of this video, we'll do a deep dive into the features of this fantastic new modular cube printer from Star Micronics. So let's get right into it, and we'll just open the box and let's see what comes with this. We'll turn this around here. And on top there are your cables. This is your power cord. USB cable. Star does a very good job with their packaging for their printers. This is the power brick, and then your power cable connects to the other end of that. We have your insert with the quick start guide and additional Star printer promotional material. Sample roll of thermal receipt paper to get you going for testing. Very good eggshell packaging. And last but not least, the printer itself. This is one great printer right here. Let me get the box out of the way. Okay. We'll take the packaging off. Wow, look at that. So again, we have your packaging material, your power brick, power cable, sample roll of paper, and your USB printer cable to get you connected right away. This is one fantastic printer, let me tell you. Star, they really outdid themselves with this printer. It's the new modern cube design. So this would be a modular printer. It can print bi-directional depending on how it's positioned, whether from the top or the front. And this also comes with options to where you can have USB hubs on this printer too. It is a fantastic printer. Comes with great cable management. And in part 2 of this, we're going to set all this up for you. We're going to power it on, of course. We're going to do some test receipts, and let's see what this can do. So we'll do a deeper dive in part 2. So stay tuned. Thank you. Hello and welcome to part 2 of our presentation for the Star Micronics MC-Print3 thermal receipt printer, and as you can see, we went ahead and set it up for you. One thing before we delve into the presentation of the printer with its features and whatnot, I just wanted to review this real quickly. This comes in the box with the printer, and one thing to note is that this is a free service that Star offers to where you can easily print promotions either on your receipts that you give to your customers, or you can do it digitally. So fantastic free service. You go to their website and you can set that up. So Q&A, and of course it's the easy setup guide for the printer itself. And as always, then you have your paper adjustment that goes internally. Why receipt printer manufacturers give you these is just in case you wanted to use 2-inch paper instead of the standard 3 1/8 for this. So you can use a smaller size. This adjusts down so you can put in a smaller roll of paper in there. Okay. Now, as you can see, we set it up, and this particular Star printer has fantastic cable management. So this is the rear cover for your cable management. So once you have everything set up, you would just simply put this on here, clip it back on, right? And it's fantastic cable management. Now, what we have here is, of course, your power cable and then your USB port. But look at this. Isn't that just fantastic? The way Star set this up. The actual ports are underneath. I don't know if you can see those there, but their actual ports are underneath. And they're labeled. So you have your Ethernet, USB. This particular model is compatible with iPad, iOS. And then you have a 2 USB hub, so you connect 2 peripheral devices, such as maybe the Star barcode scanner or Star customer display, for example. Or you can connect it to a Star cash drawer right here, or you can connect it to a third-party cash drawer. Okay, so everything is here that you need to get this printer up and running and connected to all your peripheral devices in no time. As you can see, it has the stylish cube design, which is more of the modern looking receipt printers compared to the older, what I call legacy style, like what you would get with, say, the Star Micronics TSP654, for example. Okay, we're going to turn this around so you can see the front part. When the printer is on, you have your nice blue LED light right here. I don't know if you can see that, but on the screen, but there's a blue LED light right here. And to open the front, it's just like this. It's drop and load paper, super easy. Just drop in. Okay, so actually here, let me take this out. You can see on the inside. They even have a little diagram here of how to put the paper in, right? So you just drop it in, and then you close it, and there you go. So your paper is already in there, and then the auto cutter will cut this piece off for you. This thermal receipt printer is loaded with advanced features from Star Micronics. For example, it comes with the Cloud Print technology, which allows the printer to easily integrate with software as a service applications, cloud-based applications, of course, and also printing from online. Now, it would be dependent on the point-of-sale software provider that you would be using, but many popular point-of-sale providers today have integrated this service with these particular Star printers that offer the Cloud Print. Okay, and that's in addition to the free service that I showed you earlier, where you can do the digital receipts, which is awesome. So this is part of their one other thing to note too, that this printer is part of their M collection. All right, so their M collection would be for their integrate with their M-Pop cash drawer series, where you can attach a tablet. Really slick unit, and we'll do a review on that in the coming weeks, to where you'll see a complete Star Micronics M collection setup for a POS system. Really good stuff. Okay, so I'm going to turn this around again so you can see the back of the printer again. This setup right here is very unique for receipt printers. Not all receipt printers have this setup, so I just wanted to show this off again, that this is really good stuff right here. Okay, as far as the print speed of the printer, it's 250 millimeters a second, which is pretty darn fast. This will be able to make long lines at the POS system fairly short in no time. So 250 millimeters a second on your standard 3 1/8 thermal receipt paper, which is pretty much the universal size for all 3-inch thermal receipt printers. Now, over here, we have the ELO all-in-one touchscreen POS system, and we have the Star printer connected to it, and I just wanted to show you this utility. This is one of the great things with Star, is they have really cool utilities. As you can see here, with this utility configuration utility for the printer, you can do all kinds of cool things. Okay, you have for your Windows Q setup, you have a connection for Star Cloud system for software as a service for digital receipts, for example. You have your printer settings right here. You can also do print barcodes on here. And then you have OPOS. That gets a little bit more technical for specific point of sale applications. But basically everything that you need to get this receipt printer up and running on either a iOS device or on Windows, it's all right here, for example. So let's just go into, say, the printer settings. Right? There's a myriad of printer settings here that you can go into. And then troubleshooting. So you have all these different print jobs that you can do on the printer to troubleshoot the printer if you're having issues with it. Very detailed utility that comes with this printer at no cost. It's really cool stuff. Okay, so this printer is by far, for a new printer, by far an exceptional value. And the price point is extremely competitive for all the value add features that you get with this printer that comes with it out of the box. There are very few, in fact, I can only think of one other receipt printer manufacturer that can come close to Star. I won't mention who they are in this video, but I personally think that Star is the best when it comes to your value, the durability of the printer, the design, and also all of the software value add features that you have, such as Cloud Print for easy integration for software as a service, POS, printing from online, and then also for your digital receipts, and very easy to print logos and whatnot in the utility that comes with this printer. One other important thing to note with this printer, unlike many other cube printers or just a standard receipt printers in its class, is this is IPX2 water resistant. Basically that means that you can have this around moisture, providing it's at an angle, and so it will perform within a relatively moist area where there could be water droplets. So it is designed for that, especially that's a great thing for, say, hospitality, quick service, if there are water droplets that would get onto their receipt printer. All in all, I give this thermal receipt printer a thumbs up. As a matter of fact, I would give it a 2 thumbs up. this thermal receipt printer in best in class for this printer right here, for everything that it offers. To know more about the Star MC-Print3 thermal receipt printer, please click on the link down below in the description box. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell below so you'll get notifications of future videos that we do. Thank you for watching.